Hi everybody and welcome to tutorial number 8. This is DJ Indy and today I'm showing you another personal combo. Make sure you pay attention to the hand move on the vinyl because you will need it for the tutorial of next week. The hand movement on the vinyl goes like this. It's like 2 baby scratches in a row. In slow motion, faster. You can put extra pressure using your thumb. On the crossfader I'm doing a sharp and 2 transforms back. Faster. And now the 2 movements together. Now let me show you on a beat right now.